Hello and welcome to my next review on the channel about this Real Madrid away jersey. As you can see, it's also customized, but let's start with the front of the jersey, where you can see these three logos: the Emirates Fly Better, which is heat pressed from this material. As you can see, this is a really high quality material. And then the Adidas logo, which is also like printed or heat pressed, but it's a 3D plastic material. And the same is the Real Madrid logo on the left side of the chest. It's a very good quality, and it's very well glued or printed to the jersey. Then the collar looks very elegant with this small button, and every little detail is made with precision. As you can see, even the collar with these different materials, very elastic. Then this is size 2XL because it's player version, so it's better to go a size up. And then on the shoulders you can see the three Adidas stripes, again very high quality. And this one also has Champions League badges, the 15 obviously for Real Madrid, and the UEFA Foundation for Children. Every one of them is a very soft, very nice material. Then the sleeve, and on the bottom of the jersey you have these little patches again, which these are embroidered, look very nice again. And you can also see the heat ready technology used for the jersey and the little badge for it on the bottom. And on the left sleeve the HP sponsor logo. So this again very high quality, so nothing to complain about. Even the material with these RM letters in the material of the jersey are amazing. But now let's go to the back of the jersey, customized Fede 8, and let's start with the top. Again, the back of the collar and these RM Real Madrid CF letters, which look again amazing. And obviously we have the original font of the letters they were at Real Madrid, and the original font of the number, even with this small Real Madrid logo on the bottom of the number. So basically exactly like the jerseys the player wear. Here you can see in detail the quality, both the jersey and the number, everything super high quality. And for this price I would say it's really worth it, because you can save not only with coupon code, which you can find in the Facebook group, but also using my invitation link by creating your account with it, and then you will get $5 off on your first order, so you can end up with a really cheap jersey. Thank you for watching, hope you liked it, goodbye.